All right, here we go. Here we go. This is sprint 3. It is the old good hour of midnight, but I'm doing this because I want tomorrow or today off / have a nice day. But we're in good shape because we're doing it, and that's a good thing to do it. Anyway, first thing I want to notice is I've only committed 16.25. We're not doing a crazy sprint 2 Uber sprinting week. We are right on track to do some awesome stuff. First thing I want to do, though, is not document process. That's not the first thing I want to do. First thing I want to do is create a design argument. I did a lot of research on what exactly I'm looking at, and now I have an idea of what I want to look at, and now I want to design for it. And I have an idea of the design, but I want to make sure I have a good argument with it. Notice I'm going to get feedback on this with multiple people to make sure it all makes sense before I start designing, because it makes sense to have everyone on board before I start designing. But then I'm going to design! Woo! Yay! I got to resketch my prototype to make it look ugly, because we know that's how we want a paper prototype. I'm also going to have 3 more lessons because I do kind of want to look at the continuity, like how often would people continue with our given prototype. And then we're going to test it. 5 user tests. Yes, 5 of them. But before we user test, notice how I broke it down. Yeah, we broke this down. We need to see who we want to test with, because it might be hard to find high schoolers doing chemistry. We're going to try, but I want to make sure I have a good target audience. Also, I'm going to make deadlines. I can't do 5 in 2 days. We got to make sure this is nice and spread out. So I'm going to spend a good 15 minutes on doing that. 16.25. That 0.5 is making deadlines. This is smart. And then we're going to make sure I give lots of time to write it up. The whole reason why we're testing the prototype is next week, sprint 4 is going to be build week. And then hopefully sprint 5, build and test. I might need to build this week too. We'll see. Oh, man. All right, that's my video. Love.